So let's talk about women's health reform. Did you know that there was a period of time between the 1970s and 1986 where women were not allowed to participate in research trials? This has accumulated over the years into a general lack of knowledge on women's bodies and how they differ from men's. There's been guidelines put in place in the 90s, in the 2000s, in the 2010s, as recent as last year when then President Joe Biden issued an executive order to give more money to women's health research. This does have actual implications on people today. The general lack of knowledge goes so far as to be in medical school and in their textbooks as they're learning about male bodies at a vastly higher rate than female bodies, meaning they're way more confident in diagnosing men and treating men. This has led to a 30% higher misdiagnosis rate in women and has led to things like not knowing how women present certain illnesses, such as heart attacks. We all know the shooting pain down the left arm, classic symptom, not for women. Another thing would be hip replacements in older women. They did not study them on female bodies enough, so they are having complications at a much higher rate. Also, dosing medication. So they have studied these medicines on male bodies, meaning they're slightly overdosing women constantly. So women are going to have much more side effects, much worse side effects, etc. And then over the past 10 years, they have increased the spending for research about 100%. However, only about 8% of that is going towards women's health research. These guidelines that they've set in place are not being followed correctly. The researchers are either not quantifying how many women they have in there or not doing the in-depth sex analysis required, which is taking all that data and seeing how it really reacts to the different bodies. This issue should have been dealt with quite a while ago, and I think we need to hold those researchers responsible. I don't know if that's through withholding funds or if we should get ethics committees involved, but it's 2025.